ललिता सहस्त्रनाम में भी दो नाम आते हैं, अंतर्मुख समाराध्या, शी हु इज वर्शिप इंटरनली, बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा, शी हु इज डिफिकल्ट टू अटेन फॉर दोज हुज फोकस इज आउटवर्ड।
जब हम फिजिकल इंग्रेडिएंट के साथ हमारा काफ़ी अटेंशन अग्नि मैनेज करने में जाता है, द्रव्य मैनेज करने में जाता है, तो कहीं हमारा ध्यान ईश्वर से हट जाता है। और जब हम साधना में आगे बढ़ते हैं उस टाइम हमें हमारा ध्यान लगाना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज़ वेयर मानसिक पूजा इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो जीवन में जितनी जल्दी मानसिक पूजा की हमें हैबिट बन जाए उतना हमारे लिए आगे चल के जीवन में बेनिफिट मिलेगा। इट वॉज मार्च ऑफ 2023, नवदुर्गा साधना, हमारी पहली साधना इन द आश्रम, दैट टू विद स्वामी जी। वी केम हियर एंड जब पहली बार उनको देखा, पहले तो किताब पढ़ी थी एंशिएंट साइंस ऑफ मंत्रास, एंड आवर फर्स्ट विजन ऑफ हिम, वी फेल्ट दैट नाउ वी आर एबल टू सी द सोर्स ऑफ दिस विजडम, एंड आई कांट एक्सप्लेन द फीलिंग दैट वी हैड। देयर वाज अ डीप सेंस ऑफ स्टिलनेस, deep calm seeing him.
So when I first saw Swamiji, it was the first day, of the sadhana when, he was supposed to do the yagya. सुबह 5 बजे हुए थे, अंधेरा था, और यज्ञशाला का रास्ता अगर आप देखोगे तो वो थोड़े अपहिल से आता है, एंड देन यू गो डाउन हिल टुवर्ड्स यज्ञशाला। एंड उस टाइम कच्ची रोड थी, अभी तो थोड़ी सी पक्की रोड है टुवर्ड्स यज्ञशाला। एंड यू द फर्स्ट साइड of Swamiji for us was, and we were हम थोड़े पीछे बैठे थे, मतलब यज्ञशाला आगे तक जाती है, हमारा सीटिंग थोड़ा पीछे था, यज्ञशाला के एंट्रेंस के नज़दीक था। And we saw like Swamiji coming like this from uphill. He was followed by Vidya Swamiji, both of them in Bhagwa Vastra. And now we will share about, हमारी अर्बन लाइफ में हम एंशंट विजडम ऑफ वैदिक साइंस कैसे उतारते हैं हमारे जीवन में। So initially, when we started, we were feeling a bit lost about how to go about doing these Vedic sadhanas. And during our second visit, when we were here for Navdurga sadhana, Sadhvi Vrinda ji lovingly guided us to do first Ganesh sadhana, then Guru sadhana, then Gayatri sadhana, as given in Swamiji's book, The Ancient Science of Mantras. And then she said, then you will automatically, the grace will flow in and you'll get the guidance automatically. So Sadhviji's guidance truly set the ball rolling for us, right? Since then, we are balancing our corporate life, householder life, and also doing Nitya Puja, Japa, meditation, Abhishekams, Yagyas, Aartis, and guided sacred sadhanas, all digitally through Sadhana app. People may think how such sacred sadhanas can be done digitally, right? Is it really meaningful, So I would like to share that, Swamiji has always laid emphasis on doing Mansik Puja. The puja that we do in our mind. He shared in one of the discourse, which is there in the YouTube also, that, when we are doing physical puja, our focus completely shifts from doing the puja to actually managing the ingredient, managing the fire, managing, the people who are with us in the yagyas, getting some emotions and feelings, all that, which actually distracts us completely from the main thing, which is doing the puja. But with Mansik Puja, we are able to then, completely immerse ourselves in the inner experience. तो ललिता सहस्त्रनाम में भी दो नाम आते हैं, अंतर्मुख समाराध्या, शी हु इज वर्शिप इंटरनली, बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा, शी हु इज डिफिकल्ट टू अटेन फॉर दोज हुज फोकस इज आउटवर्ड। अगर आपको पाना है तो अंतर्मुख तो जाना ज़रूरी है। ऑल यू नीड इज सिंसियरिटी एंड विल टू डू मानसिक पूजा।
स्वामी जी ने अक्सर कहा है, बताया, हमें एक्सप्लेन किया है द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मानसिक पूजा। इवन व्हेन ही वाज इन द वुड्स इन द हिमालयन माउंटेन्स, ही हैड डीपली फोकस्ड ऑन मानसिक पूजा, बिकॉज इन एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट्स Already it was very difficult to find all the ingredients and the wood, but more than that, he wanted to create a dedicated focus on God. एंड जब हम फिज़िकल इंग्रेडिएंट के साथ हमारा काफ़ी अटेंशन अग्नि मैनेज करने में जाता है, द्रव्य मैनेज करने में जाता है, तो कहीं हमारा ध्यान ईश्वर से हट जाता है। और जब हम साधना में आगे बढ़ते हैं उस टाइम हमें हमारा ध्यान लगाना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज़ वेयर मानसिक पूजा इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो जीवन में जितनी जल्दी मानसिक पूजा की हमें हैबिट बन जाए उतना हमारे लिए आगे चल के जीवन में बेनिफिट मिलेगा। So I always encourage everyone to do Mansik Puja as much as possible, and these digital platforms, whether Sadhana app and Tantra Sadhana app, they are all marvelous platforms to perform digital sadhana, Mansik Puja, Mansik Sadhana.
And for a corporate person like us, who have very busy schedule, deadlines, and a lot of travel requirements, it would have been practically impossible to do all these sadhanas physically, right? To collect the ingredients or to carry ingredients or do whatever, right? Anywhere. And plus it is so difficult to burn fire, say for example in US, right? Thanks to Swamiji's vision for this modern age and his technology skills, that he personally not only designed but also developed the first version of Sadhana app. And brought this ancient science to masses. Only a guru with his intense tapas can re-envision how such ancient science can reach masses through a digital platform that resonates with this modern age. He's completely democratized the ancient knowledge for the masses. It is through his tapas that he has simplified so many sadhanas. I mean, these sadhanas are really simplified with his blessings and his tapas. There are 150 Jagrat mantras on the Sadhana app. And not only that, the app is extremely simple, very intuitive, and it is multilingual also, so that, people from all group and all age can use it. I have seen people, whether they are 3 to 4 years kids, or 80 plus in the ashram using the Sadhana app, right? So it is very, very easy to use. The app also has an innovative touch of gamification that kind of attracts younger generation to use the app more and more, right? Since we are doing all these sadhanas through a digital platform and not using any physical ingredients, right? We're not sourcing scarce resources like wood and all. This is a completely sustainable way to make Vedic sadhana available to masses. That's very interesting, how he thought about it. And what more, he's made this app completely free. All glories to Swamiji. I just want to share something, for the audience who are interested to start their journey like us also, right? If you're not able to come to the ashram, please don't get disappointed, because, from wherever you are, you can pick up Ancient Science of the Mantras book, start reading it to get a good understanding, and you can do the Ganesh sadhana, Guru sadhana, Gayatri sadhana, as Sadhviji also had guided me, and it's also given in Ancient Science of the Mantras. And then you will see how the divine guidance and grace will start flowing in. It was very beautifully shared by Brahmachari Parak Om, and he's also very sharp Brahmachari. But he had very beautifully shared that Swamiji's Ancient Science of Mantra book is actually gateway to a very potent and very sacred sadhana, which is Sri Vidya sadhana, because it requires us to do Sri Ganesh Bhagwan Ji ki sadhana, then Guru sadhana, and then Gayatri sadhana. Those are the foundations. And then you move forward doing Sri Suktam sadhana and the other sadhanas. So this ancient science of mantras it has lot more than, so Swamiji is not explicitly said in that book, but that book is actually meant for you to progress on the path of Sri Vidya sadhana.
तंत्र साधना के पथ पे चलने वाले हर साधक के लिए कई इम्पोर्टेंट ग्रंथ हमारे देश में अवेलेबल हैं, वैदिक साइंसेज में अवेलेबल हैं, एंड उसी स्टेचर की किताब स्वामी जी ने भी लिखी है, द एंशिएंट साइंस ऑफ मंत्रास। लोग अभी पहचानते नहीं हैं द डेप्थ एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ that book can change your life forever. And if Tantra Sadhana is your goal, then that book lays a very strong foundation. That book is the gateway, and that will open all the doors that are closed in your life right now.
And for those who are already advanced in their journey, right? One thing which I would like to share is that Swamiji has been immensely benevolent, because he had shared his complete sadhana, what he did, Sri Vidya Sadhana, in his book, 13 Months in the Himalayas. He's given step by step what needs to be done. And, you can also tap onto the Sri Badrika Ashram's website, where, omswami.org, where if there are any events that are happening, those get posted. And, you can also use Om Swami GPT so that you can get answers to your queries based on wisdom of Swamiji, right? Because he's written so many books, so much content is there, so many videos are there. It will be practically impossible to kind of, crawl through so much content. But if you want to get answers to your query, put it on GPT for a quick solution, and then, quick answers, I would say. Solutions may come with divine grace, but quick answers, and then, you can obviously then, it will point you to whatever videos and all which you can then follow. And the third thing which I want to say, we spoke about people who are going to start their journey, people who are advanced in their journey, and then people who do not want to get into Vedic science, right? For them also, Swamiji has something to offer. Please, you can use Black Lotus app, do meditations. There are Zen meditation, very different type of meditation, music meditation and all that. In fact, by using Black Lotus app, my sleep-related issues, I'm able to sleep better now, because I used to play 5-minute meditation just before sleeping on Black Lotus app, and I used to get very good sleep. So, there are different paths. You start somewhere if not started. And by the way, Swamiji says you don't need initiation from him in order to start this journey. You can say that, Adi Guru is your Guru, and, you start your journey. The fourth option, is for people who are saying, I don't have time at all. For that also Swamiji has said that हमारा हर कर्म साधना की तरह करे तो वो भी पर्याप्त है. That is what he said, which means if we do anything that we are doing, if we do it with full bhav and awareness and mindfulness and as a sadhana, with honesty, then that's sadhana in itself.